Hello everyone, in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can easily see connected Wi-Fi password on your mobile phone. By following the few simple steps that I show you, now you'll be able to see connected Wi-Fi password on your mobile phone very easily. So make sure to watch the video till the end so you don't make any mistakes. By saying that, let's start the video. At first, scroll down onto your mobile screen and this type of interface will be seen, and hold on to the Wi-Fi button. You can see the one Wi-Fi is connected into my mobile. In the connected Wi-Fi there is a settings button. Tap on that and tap on the share button, and you can see the QR code of the Wi-Fi password. Take a screenshot of it and go to the Chrome browser. Search for ZSync decoder online. Here, and upload a screenshot that you have recently taken of it. Here, swipe left. And you can see the submit button here. You have to tap on that. For the result, you can see the name of Wi-Fi and the password of Wi-Fi. And the password of the Wi-Fi is in the third line. So my friend, that's it. If you find this video helpful even 1%, consider subscribing and leave a like. I'll be back with another problem solving video like this. Thanks for watching.